Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a simple video and I'm going to be talking about a great library which I found today which can help you download mutual funds data for India. These guys have done a remarkable job and have built a very simple library. So let's just go and dive into it. It's called MF Tool and here's the GitHub for it. MF Tool. And essentially, it is a Python library for getting publicly available mutual funds in India. The utilization is very simple, which we'll take a look at in a minute. From a feature perspective, what you can do is get latest updated codes from mutual funds using scheme codes, which they have documentation around. The data is returned in the form of data frames. You can either get it in JSON or dictionary, which is very convenient for further analysis. You can get codes for all the schemes available with AMFI. And there are helper APIs to check whether a given scheme code is correct or not. You can also do a little bit of daily performance and list of all schemes with their scheme codes, etc. So it's a very simple library. Let's just take a look at it, how to set it up. So you need to do a pip install MF tool, and pip will just work within a Conda environment or a Python environment, and you can install MF tool. From MF tool, import capital MF tool, instantiate it, and you can print it. Then it will show you some drivers class for association of mutual funds in India. However, I'll want to point out that as of recording of this video, I was getting a socket error and I wasn't sure if it's because of my network connections or some bug in the library, or the server could be down with AMFI as well. So I decided to went away with it. However, this is very good. You can get all scheme codes by just putting the function get underscore scheme underscore codes, and you will get all the scheme codes available. Once you get the codes, you can just put it here in the number and it will print all the details, and you can get all the scheme related information like what's the fund house, what's the type, category, code, name, start date, etc. You can get historical NAVs for it based on certain dates. You can do performance analysis if you have already bought this, and you can use this to kind of automate and stitch together your own mutual fund portfolio and do some analysis on it. Export the data in a JSON, as they have talked about, as JSON is equals to true, that will give you data in JSON. And you can also view historical data with one-day change. Finally, some performance measures. You can talk about open-ended scheme, print all the large cap, mid cap, and small cap, etc. Whatever is the benchmark, latest NAV, the last NAV direct, all the returns for different sort of plans. And I think they also were able to do some charts and plots, but I don't see them being pasted here. And that's pretty much it. That's what the library does. Just as a big shout out to them, if you go to their GitHub repo, please do star it. Promotes the community. And if you have liked this conversation, give a thumbs up, put in comment if you want to see more analysis on mutual funds. A bonus here that they have also created a library for forecasting mutual funds, which I haven't tried, but this still looks like a 7-month-old project, but I will give it a fair deal and I'll look at it, evaluate it, and come back and probably build a video around it. So that's it from today's video. This is a really quick and short video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.